Hi friends, I'm Donna Farrell and I'm the owner of Fig Basket Crochet Creative right here in Dallas, Texas. I have been crocheting since 1977, nearly non-stop, usually with a cup of coffee nearby. Does that describe you? Let me know. In any case, I started Fig Basket Crochet Creative YouTube channel to help people feel more confident in the craft of crochet. I have run into so many people along the way who say, I'd love to learn that, but it looks so hard. Or somebody tried to teach me once and I just felt so intimidated. Well, you know what? Anybody can learn to crochet if you want to. And so I make these tutorials that are slow with extreme close-ups of the stitch work. I slow down my hook work, except for long boring sections where I'll speed it up a little bit. I want to make the videos very, very clear so that you can understand exactly what's going on and get a larger idea of how crochet works in the meantime. If you do like these tutorials, please click the like button. It helps me know the kind of content you want to see more of, and it helps the YouTube algorithm know to start sharing that content with other people. Thanks so much for dropping by my YouTube channel today. Also, if you have any comment or input or questions about any of the tutorials, leave a comment on those as well. I read all of the comments and I try to reply to each one. Thanks so much, and I do hope you make it a beautiful life.